Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about Ethernet cables. Which type of Ethernet cables supports gigabit internet speed? For this, this one Cat5 cable. This Cat5 cable is having two pairs only. One is orange pair, another one green pair. In this RJ45 connector, in RJ45 jack also only four wires only. This two pair cable support up to 100 Mbps only. This will only support 100 Mbps only. Second one, this one Cat5 cable. This one Cat5 cable. Cat5 cable having four pair cable. Four pair. See there, orange pair, green pair, brown pair, blue pair. In this jock, 8 wires. So this Cat5 cable supports 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, 1000 Mbps. 1 Gbps it will support up to 1 Gbps. Here one more cable, this one Cat6 cable. This one Cat6 cable also having a four pair, here brown pair, green pair, brown pair and blue pair. But in this, the middle, the separate plane is there. Each pair will be separate by another one. So it will support up to 1 Gbps, 1 Gbps to 10 Gbps. It will support, Cat6 cable supports 1 Gbps to 10 Gbps. The main difference between the Cat5 and Cat6 cable is the twisting distance is very short in Cat6. Twisting pair distance is very short in Cat6. In the Cat5 cable, the twisting distance is long. Twisting distance is long. So by seeing this jock also we can easily find which cable supports gigabit speed internet. So if this jock having 8 wires, then it will support gigabit internet speed. In this jock we can see only 4 wires. That means it only supports below 100 Mbps only. The Cat5 cable bandwidth frequency support only 100 megahertz only. That is why it supports only 100 Mbps only. Whereas in Cat6 cable, bandwidth frequency supports 250 megahertz. That is why it will support 10 Gbps speed. With the distance is only within 100 meters.